So work out the following integral. The integral sine x brackets 1 minus cos x to the power of 5 dx. So sine x, 1 minus cos x to the power of 5 dx. So I'm going to use the method of substitution, and what I'm going to substitute u for is 1 minus cos x. And if I differentiate that, du by dx, is, the differential of 1 is nothing, and the differential of minus cos x is sine x. So if you think about it, when you differentiate sine, you get cos. When you differentiate cos, you get minus sine. When you differentiate minus sine, you get minus cos. And when you differentiate minus cos, you get back to sine. So this is plus sine x. So rearranging this for dx, we get dx is du over sine x. So my integral, sine x brackets 1 minus cos x to the power of 5 dx is going to be equal to 1 minus cos x, which is u, to the power of 5. And when I put the du in instead of the dx, the sine x's will cancel out. So I'm just going to be left with a very simple integral of u to the 5 du. So if I add 1 to the power and divide by the new power and add plus c, and then substitute back my substitution, so my substitution was 1 minus cos x, the final answer will be 1/6 of 1 minus cos x all to the power of 6 plus c. So this has been an integral of a trig function using the method of substitution. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.